this is rather unusual. I've been left at the helm, well, raising steam with this one, and I think I've done an half decent job. We've got water on the glass, pressure's rising on the gauge, half decent fire down there, smoke's coming out the top. So yeah, this is steam life, and obviously hands as black as oat. Yeah, anyway, this one is a Burrell called General Goff. It's a scenic, which means not only has it got the front dynamo, it's also got an exciter dynamo up here, so it takes the volts from that one and charges them up even more. But yeah, this one is such an amazing one. It's half size, it's a 6-inch, which means it's half size, so if you had another one of them in front of it, that'd be the length of the real thing. But I'll tell you what, it's a really nice bit of kit. So here we are inside General Goff, and we're going to set the flywheel in motion. So step one is set her into forward, and she goes round. Open the regulator just a touch more. Not a bit much, too much. Slow it down just a touch. There we are. If we notch it back, we can get it to go right slow. See how the fire's doing? Fire's doing lovely. Water, yeah, it could do with a bit more. So here's the pump, turn the pump on, and now it's pumping water into the boiler. Pressure 90 psi, whistles, all good. So yeah, Remston is turning out really nice. Met some new faces. This is another Michael's steam engine, and then there's also Adrian or AD with a blue Garrett 4CD, and there's a familiar friend here, Queen Mary. So yeah, I'll put you back on when there's something interesting. Alright, so we're charging outside the beer tent, we've got the lights lit, so enjoying a pint, listening to the rhythmic beat of a Burrell Scenic, and I tell you what, it's really nice. So that is tonight over and done with. The Showman's engine, we're just about to shut down and we're going to drive her back for the night. So yeah, we've got a fair few Showmans. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 that I can think of and see. 11 including this one. But yeah, I'll tell you what, this rally's been brilliant. My hands are black, I'm happy. The engine's clearly happy, she's ticking over lovely. got enough volts. So yeah, I shall. Oh, hello, what's that? That is the modified Alice Chalmers tractor. Yeah, there's the scenic. Right, I shall film some tomorrow, I reckon. And I will see you when it's the morning. Hopefully I will be awake and sober enough to film. Right, I'll put you on when I wake up.
With 1,000 tons of coal behind and the tender full of slack, me mate sent me to Coventry and he just won't answer back. Well, smoke in my eyes, soot in my hair, cinders in my shoes, I'm watching the needle falling away and singing the 8th freight blues. Now across the cab the driver sits and he's staring straight ahead. He's not spoken to me for 18 months since I started at the shed. He's drawn a line across the cab for each of us to stand, since he found I'd joined the NUR while he was an as left man. Well, smoke in my eyes, soot in my hair.